Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to close Talkback mode on Realme C67 device. Okay, Talkback mode is an accessibility feature available on an Android device that provides spoken feedback. Okay, and then Talkback mode can slow down the navigation process compared to using a device without accessibility features. Okay, and then the way to close it. First, you can swipe two fingers to unlock your device. Okay, and then here you can click on settings icon and then please double tap to open it. Okay, after that, just swipe down by two fingers to scroll, and then here you can tap on accessibility menu and then double tap to open it. Okay, now here you can tap on Talkback and then double tap to open it. After that, now here you can turn off it by switch off this button by clicking once and then double tap on it. Click stop button and then double tap. Okay, and then now the Talkback mode on your device is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to close Talkback mode on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.